Hello and welcome back. Today we will prepare a winter snack from 1783, pączki z pomarańcz, what means donuts with orange. Let's start with ingredients list. Original recipe doesn't tell exact amounts, so for most ingredients we will follow intuition. First, we need to make syrup from water and sugar. As the syrup comes into boiling, we will peel and slice oranges. The recipe advises to slice each orange into 4 parts. Next, we should boil oranges in the syrup and start making dough. There is flour in the clay pot, and I am adding white wine and some olive oil. I will be stirring it with a spoon until I get smooth, elastic dough. The dough is ready, so it's time to take oranges out and start making donuts. I have only one pan, so I am pouring out the remaining syrup and replacing it with oil. To make a donut, we need to form flat, circle shape. Put one piece of orange in the middle and close the edges of the dough with fingers. We are frying each donut, both sides, in a hot oil. Here's how it should look like. The recipe says to sprinkle some sugar on top of each donut. And we are ready! I hope you will enjoy this warm, 18th century snack cooked over fire in January.